Photoshop is lagging like hell, here's a quick guide on how to fix it. First, open up the Edit menu, expand Preferences, and then click on Performance. Right here, make sure that this setting is checked. Increase the RAM allocation and let Photoshop use 80 to 90% of your computer's memory. If Photoshop is still slow, make sure your graphics card is up to date. If you have an Nvidia card, for example, launch the GeForce Experience app and make sure you have updated the drivers to the latest version. Also, one more important thing to have in mind, when Adobe launches a newer update, Photoshop and After Effects, etc. start lagging for some reason. So launch the Creative Cloud when that happens and check if you have uninstalled updates. Try to also close down background apps with the Task Manager feature on Windows. Right-click Unused Apps and click on End Task. If nothing works, try resetting Photoshop's settings. Go to Edit and open up Preferences. Then simply click on this button right here. Let me know if this worked or not in the comments. If it doesn't work, throw your computer out the window and buy a better one. This always works, trust me.